make a TNT cannon. Wait there. I will make a TNT cannon, guys. There. This is how to make a TNT cannon. If what you like to design this. Then put a water there. There. This is how to make a TNT cannon. And then TNT and flint and steel. Just put in there and there. And then flint and steel the TNT. Wait for it. You will count 7 times. It's not so far, but you should count 7 times, right? Like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. There. See that you make a TNT. Okay, guys. This is my first episode, first video. Okay, guys. Bye bye. Peace out.